Hi, I'm James Dodds, and I wanted to share that last fall I had a sleep study done at Sanford Center. I had a snoring problem, and I didn't come out with sleep apnea, but the snoring was keeping me from sleeping. And so one of the diagnoses was to look at a sleep appliance, and it was the best thing I've ever done for my health. Right now I'm sleeping 7 to 9 hours, whereas before it was 10 to 12 hours of sleep because I never could quite get enough sleep to feel rested in the morning. So I'm sleeping better. My wife is happier. I highly recommend somebody looking and exploring this option. So, is that better?